In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a crank position sensor on your Honda Accord. Remove the two 10mm bolts out of this plate. Remove the bolt. Do the same thing on the other one. Remove the other bolt. On the back side of this plate, on this plastic part, there's going to be a little tab right in the middle right here. We're going to push down on that tab, and then we're going to push this plastic piece off of the metal plate. That's where it was clamping to. Remove the connector, push on the tab, and pull straight back. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the bolt holding in the crank sensor. Remove the bolt. Remove the sensor. Pull it straight out. You may need to wiggle it a little bit. If you do end up using a flat blade screwdriver, be very gentle on the sensor. You don't want to crack it, break it, especially inside of the hole. Remove the sensor. Install the sensor. Push it in, make sure the O-ring is fully seated. Install the bolt. Snug it down. Torque this bolt to 9 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. Install the plate into the plastic. Click that in. Go ahead and start your bolts. Torque these screws to 9 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.